Hi everyone, we're starting on lesson 8.7 today, solving problems with exponential and logarithmic functions. Popular problems related to logarithm and exponential function are the pH scale, which is very widely used in chemistry when you're given a solution and you have to measure the acidity of it. And the Richter scale, which is widely used in geography when you have to measure the magnitude of an earthquake. Let's take a look at example 1 from your learning resources. The relationship between pH and hydrogen ion concentration is given by the formula pH equals the negative log of the concentration of hydrogen ion. You do have to memorize this relationship for your test. It will not be given. What is the pH if the concentration of hydrogen ion is 0.001 moles per liter? Moles per liter is simply the unit for concentration. So in step 1, you have to sub the numbers into the equation. We're already given the concentration of hydrogen ion as 0.001 moles per liter, so we sub that in. Next, we take the log of it, and this has to be done using a calculator. We find out the answer for this is -4, but there's also another negative outside. Therefore, the two negatives cancel out, and therefore the pH equals 4. Keep in mind that the second part of this relationship will always be negative. That's why we have another negative in front of it to cancel out that negative, because pH has to be positive, and it has to be in between 1 and 14. Let's take a look at example 2 from your learning resources. So given the following equation of the given the following relation of the Richter scale in the table. So if the true intensity was 10 to the power of 1, that would be 10. On the Richter scale, the magnitude would be 1. If the intensity was 10 to the power of 4, the scale would show a number 4. That's the magnitude. If the true intensity was 10 to the power of 5.8, then the Richter scale magnitude would be 5.8. If the average earthquake measures 4.5 on Richter scale, how much more intense is an earthquake to the average measure 8 compared? So first we have to calculate the quotient between the intensities. So we have 10 to the power of 8 and 10 to the power of 4.5, that's the average. We know that's equal to 10 to the power of 8 minus 4.5, that's going to be 10 to the power of 3.5. Next we evaluate using a calculator, and that's going to give us 3,162.3. Since the Richter scale is logarithmic, each step on the scale is a power of 10. The difference in intensity is calculated by evaluating 10 to the power of 3.5. Thus, an earthquake that measures 8 on the Richter scale is about 3,162 times more intense than the earthquake that measures 4.5. If you just look at the number 4.5 and 8, you may say that 8 is just almost double 4.5, but it's not 2 times more intense. It's actually 3,162 times more intense. Just keep that in mind. And that's the end of this lecture. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to do your activity as well as upload them for your teacher to mark. And I'll see you guys next time.